So we're going to talk about using encyclopedias from our library resources. So once you get to this page for library research, you're going to look for the word encyclopedias, which allows you to jump down the page, or if you scroll, you'll be able to find all of the world books all here. So once we're in the encyclopedias, we can make a decision on what encyclopedia we want to use. So you have the World Book of Early World Learning, you have the World Book of Kids, you have the World Book in Spanish, World Book Students, and you have the World Book of Animals. So let's say that I'm looking up information on animals. This is just an encyclopedia, so as soon as I dive in, so once you're here, you can make a decision on if you want to go to specific categories or if you want to just go to all animals. So let's say I'm looking for polar bears again. I can do a search and find information on the polar bear or go to the polar bear exhibit. They have lots of information. You can hear audio. They have related articles you can go to. There's even an article that they will send you to from one of the other World Books. This is coming from World Book Kids. So if I go back to our options, okay, so as I open up World Book Kids, I can go ahead and search with any of my keywords here. So again, let's say I'm looking up polar bears. It will pull up all sorts of articles that are similar to or reference polar bears. And I can continue to search for other topics that I might want. Like maybe I do want to know about all the different kinds of bears. Well, now I have much more options.
Okay, so a couple of things once I'm searching for something and I'm at the screen. The first is I can look under more information and see exactly how many different things it's pulled up: articles, pictures, videos, and maps. If I go into the advanced search section, you can see that I'm searching for a phrase, which is the word bear, and that I have checked off articles, maps, pictures, and videos. I even have the ability to change like my reading level if I want to. But let's say I don't think I need maps and I like all the other options. So I'm going to keep the word bear and I'm going to go ahead and say search. So again, I now can see all of the options that are referring to the word bear. And if I wanted to see just my pictures, I can click on more information and click on the word pictures. And now I'm just seeing all of the pictures that they have that refer the word bear. If I wanted to see videos, they have 21 videos, and all of these videos are just about bears. It's like maybe I see this, why are polar bears white? Well, maybe I want to see what that is about. And as you see, they have a video ready to go to answer that information. How cool is that?
World Book Student might be for our upper level grades. It definitely provides you with more intense articles. So let's say I'm looking at learning about the Oregon Trail.
Notice on the side that you have similar options for revising your search. So you can see specific images that are referencing the Oregon Trail. You can look at historical maps, and it even will show you some websites that are appropriate for you to visit. So let's say I want to click on the very, very first article, which is an encyclopedia article. So I can click up here where it says select a paragraph to listen to the text. So if I want to hear this first paragraph, then I can highlight it and then hit the ear. Watch this back that you can't actually hear what it's saying, but it does give you a read aloud. I can click on any of the images to get a larger view. And I can also hit the tab at the top for related information and see the other articles and websites that are referenced here.
So there you go. Those are all of the encyclopedias that you have access to through library resources.